But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Diane. But we got everything set up in the paint booth. Oh shit. Okay. Guys, look at this shit. Looks so good. What's up guys, it's the day after and we are completely done with the car. So it's 100% ready to go into paint. Got the bumper right here. All the bodywork is done. I threw the fenders on there. It's smooth and silky. It's all cleaned up. All the parts that we need are also in the car. So all the parts that need to get painted are inside. Rear bumper is right over there. And now I gotta go ahead, go pick up the tow truck, come so we can tow this to the body shop where we're gonna get it painted at. So let's go ahead and do that right now and I'll catch you guys then. Just got to the yard. We'll pick up the tow truck real quick and head back home. So we just got home. Truck's right here, car's in there. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out so I can load it up on the truck. Car's all loaded up. Now let's head out to the shop. So we got the car pulled in here. We're masking it up right now. So the professor can start painting. What's up, Professor? There's no better painter than Armin the Carmen.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you know.
Let's get it going.
Yeah, I'll catch back with you guys once we get it all masked up and ready.
You'll be all cooking now, watch.
Damn, Arm. Mr. Pinstripe Master. You do lowriders and shit like this?
No.
I read. So I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but we got everything set up in the paint booth. And Armin the Carmen is about to start shooting some paint on it. We're gonna get a clip of him mixing the paint real quick. But yeah, that's basically it. Do it again, your cheeks.
Oh, you're recording. Of course.
Oh. Alright, boys. Armand's about to start painting. So Armand's still spraying the base coat. I think he's gonna do about 3 coats and then he'll start shooting the clear coat on it. as you guys just saw in the time lapse, he started shooting the clear coat on the car and all the body parts. Now he's mixing up some more clear in the room so he can go over it. Probably another 2 more layers. So we'll see how that goes. But so far everything's coming out really good. You just can't see that well because these damn windows are covered up from paint. But yeah, everything is coming out really good. For those who didn't know, this is actually a heated paint booth. So it kind of like bakes the paint on there. Makes your job like 100 times easier. You won't have to take it outside under the sun. Is that it, Arm?
That's it.
That's it. So clear coat is all done. Now the car is baking at 150 degrees, as you can tell right there. So it's gonna bake for another 12 minutes at 150 degrees and then go a little bit lower.
Don't worry about it.
And then we can take it out in like 30 minutes. Taking it out in the sun just to see what it looks like.
So shiny. Flip it around, get this.
Carbon diffuser.
I'm afraid to turn this thing, bro.
Ooh, guys, look at this shit. Looks so good. We got most of the parts outside drying under the sun. Now we're gonna carefully unmask the car. Arm, are you gonna unmask it right now or no? Yeah? But check it out, guys. This is the finished product.
See, the camera does no justice.
It does zero justice.
This paint is so wet. Like, it looks...
Like, there's like no orange peel in the paint. I don't know if you guys can even tell. But look at that. There's like barely anything. And this is just freshly painted. The car still needs to be polished.
This is where we do the shout out, Todd.
Shout out this man right
Shout out this man right here.
And shout out to Diamond Auto Body.
Shout out to
you guys
Diamond.
Can see the sign right there.
Right.
There.
Yeah, so it's right there.
Shout out to Diamond Auto Body.
Major shout out.
For letting us use their paint booth and their supplies. Major shout out to them. Thank you to them.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, this is what it looks.
This is what it looks like.
So tow truck driver's here. We're gonna load it up, take it back to my house now. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bro, boost lag. It was lagging. Turbo lag.
I think
Daddy brake barely held.
Can't fucking move. Can't feel my legs.
But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Diane.
Hey, do you smell oil?
Hey, does it smell?
It's probably this trend.
He's shifting back here, bro.
He's gonna crash. We just got home. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop the car right here. You like it? It looks so sick. We're gonna go ahead and unmask the rest of this stuff. There's still like some masking tape and masking paper. All right, guys, it's the next day. So I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but yesterday we actually didn't pick up the bumpers and like some of the parts for the car. So I actually went ahead and picked up my brother's brand new Ram. I'm gonna go back to Diamond Auto Body right now and pick up the rest of the parts. So I'll see you guys there. I'm pulling up to Diamond right now. It's right over here. I'm just gonna pick up the parts real quick and then head back home. I just picked up all the parts. Tried to fit it in here as best as I could. I don't know if you guys can tell, everything is back there in the trunk. I'm gonna head home, unload these things, and then give you guys a final little walk around of the car. All right, guys, just got back home. Here are all the parts. Looking all clean and freshly painted. Here's the car itself. I just set up all the parts like randomly so they can get some sunlight so it can dry a little quicker. So they're all set up. I threw the mirrors on there too. But yeah, there you guys go. As far as paint goes, we still have to color sand the car and polish it so it can be even more cleaner than it already is, even though it looks perfect already. But yeah, we still have that to do. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching another video. Stay tuned for the rest of this build, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.